Or them say me a shout over man. Never that. Or them say me hold like you don't think me never that. What do you want to come out for me? Me no want that. Me no want that. Me no want that kind of prize. Me never want him back. Want him back. I run for my life. One mission, some more me up in particulars. Real body, me a real browning. Trending girl, me still a win. Top down, me no deck styling. Me no man send that I making back the ring. Can't happy can't me say me no want him. One a business, no go funding. 9 months baby, me boom boom brain. Me no.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat and you can see upon the screen, it's a whole lot going on in dancehall, my people. So it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with, how should I say this, dancehall gospel artist Miss Chin. As you can see, she dropped a diss track aimed at her baby daddy Kiprich titled She No Want Him. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because boy oh boy oh boy oh boy, people is calling her out on, you know, her being, you know, yeah, because, you know, Kizzy baby was born early. So Miss Chin said, fear own, you know, push out a 9-month-old man. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because a lot of people is saying this is all Kiprich part. You see what I say? Because I'm like them young. You see what I say? And you already know the rest go. You feel me? But nevertheless, let's proceed to the next trending topic in dancehall.
Noel! 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 Jamaica, I told you, partner draw, Mama Sophia and all of us, the mothers who stood up and make sure we demonstrate till them lock him up. Noel Maitland, you're going rotten in prison. You're going rotten in prison. Can a mother's tender care cease to watch the child she bear? Jamaica, make we pray and stand with Mama Sophia at this time, because Noel Maitland, you're guilty. You're guilty. You're guilty. Thanks to the truck man. Thanks to the truck man. Thanks to the truck man and the recording there. And that said Noel Maitland got prison. Noel, you're going to remember my name. Andre Stefano Stevens. We send criminal go to jail. We send them go to prison. Rotten in hell. Noel Maitland.
Yeah, as you can see, a whole lot of people is reacting to Noel Maitland being found guilty, because a lot of people didn't think it was going to be read this way. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because a lot of people around here were saying, oh, people that's just trying to bring him down and all of these things and things and things and things. And, you know, a lot of people were saying other people was responsible for, you know, Donnelly's demise, but that person, you know, was cleared by authorities. You see what I say? So the case rests upon Noel. You feel me? You know, though, Donald has been missing for 3 years. You know what I mean? So that's why a lot of people were saying, you know, nobody, no case. As his lawyer said, if the puzzle don't fit, you must acquit. You know what I mean? And I knew he was going to be found guilty based off of that one-liner there, because he used that from O.J. Simpson lawyer, Johnny Cochran. Yeah, if the gloves don't fit, you must acquit. You know what I mean? And Johnny was able to get, you know, O.J. freed of murder for, you know, Ronald Goldman and his wife, Nicole Brown. You see what I say? So, you know, some civil charges might be laid out, you know, because just that's how it go. You see what I say? You know, them sue O.J. for over 30 million and them thing there. But I'm just give them quick update. Noel has been found guilty. Now, dancehall artist The Angel seems to be responding to Khago and people out here, you know, disrespecting her. You see, ma says she dropped one tune, Holding Firm, on our Vivo channel. I can go check it out. And things. You know, the whole talk between Khago and The Angel, you know, they was rolling with each other because she thought, you know, she would be able to do music. But it looked like him had other things in mind, because the only thing he wanted was just some front. And him say it's not against the law. Fi beggy. So let's hear what him say and we'll proceed to the next.
If me even broke after the pussy, after hours in my yard,
and beg little crutches. It was self-defense. I was just looking out for my penis. It was self-defense. You understand? It was self-defense, man. You understand? Some a female is around. And female wearing sexy things. I'm a broke after the punani. Understand? And I need my rum cream. Don't blame me. You can't dare around that man of stiff food. And you're fat front. A man broke out a hit one time. Is that a crime? I bet none of the boy them when man a dig out them poo road can't say Khago broke after me. Can't say Khago Annie and come after. No! Khago never should be. That is it. So why don't I use against me? Fuck the fence. See him so. Oh God. Oh God. The hunger problem me have. Me not supposed to work first. I'm supposed to grind first. Me too, me a star. You understand? So you don't want to use against me say, boy, and in this come over the Dan. And the Dan broke after the one frack tail with their own. It's a self-defense, man.
Put in the comment section if you're buying what them selling, meaning the stories. You see what I say? Because you don't know the thing said. Controversy, it definitely sells. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next.
Police come for Akeem and why police come for Akeem? Because I remember one time them said Jaden report Akeem, you know, so I don't know if I chose that, them come for Akeem, I don't know what with them, them come for Akeem or I chose him kidnap.
And this is why I said the story ain't complete if Kingmixup not up on the beat. And this is why I always say, okay, it's not credible. Boy, oh boy, people them set up TikTok liar and Shebada sauce them, you know. You see my say, because as you can say, Akeem never get locked up. You know what I mean? So Akeem use him, I don't want to say end pan them, but yeah, him spin it. You know, forget content out of it. Because you know what I said, them just sit down on the boy name, you know. You see what I say? So let's hear where I say and proceed.
But I feel like say God now go give you somebody where you karma. I tell you dog. You see it? So you have to analyze whole heap of thing in a life, you know, bro. You see it? You have to sit down and pray. What you want for yourself, bro. If this is a good thing or this is a bad thing. You see what I say? We have to normalize letting go, bro. No, it's true, bro. And enough time we're stuck in some things. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year. And all now, with emotional support no get better, with financial support no get better, and with physical support no get better. We just drain ourselves like we're locked up in this cage for 5 fucking years, brother. You see what I say? And then when you really come out in the world, you realize what you did there. You cry and feel away, you know, bro. You cry and feel away, you know. But when you're out of a situation, you start laughing for all yourself. And I say, bro, this me did really kill up myself, but this me did really go and suffer. Sometimes the people when you talk to, bro, you see how them fault. Sometimes you there with all some girl and some of my ladies them when there with all some man, and when you left them, when you turn out, when you see what them turn out for be. We're glad we left them. We're glad. The biggest life change that we ever do. We're glad we left them. You see what I say? Because some people them just plan for just the right there saying that them life. You see what I say? And them no plan for uplift certain way, bro. You see it? And then them will make you the one place in your life too. Because them stagnant, bro. Them will make you the one place in your life too. And don't uplift, brother. I tell you no. Father, brother.
What time?
8 o'clock, yeah. 8 o'clock.
What time you say?
8 o'clock, father, bud. 8 o'clock. You see, you have your matic them and everything load up.
Brother, my last time we beat you so bad, brother. I not even want to go this again, but dog, you just fall, you understand? Yeah, bro.
You have much idea?
Me not know much. I just if you tell me what time you want me kick off your face, when just go and come
1
back.
o'clock,
and just sit
circle.
down. 1 o'clock. Then do your thing, man.
Alright, don't. Me just there reason with my people.
Go on, reason, man. I'm not here, man. I'm only
Alright,
reason, man. Go on, reason.
alright, my boss. Alright, my boss.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see what me say, people? Yeah, bro. Some people they in your life is stagnant, bro. Let me show you a thing, bro. You see it. You have some female, and when you see some man treat you so, you no wonder why. But we treat a girl according to how she act. Every man. You see it. I always start this. We treat a girl according to how she act. You can't stay in a relationship, ladies. Date a worthless man in hopes him get better in a life and him can think with sense. You breed for him be a deadbeat father, and you stick it out with him and go breed for him again as a deadbeat, and you still stick it out with him and go breed for him again as a deadbeat. You hold on for hopes too long. 12, 13, 14 years gone in your life, baby. You can't get it back. You see what I say? You can't get it back. And then when you left out of that situation, you expect one this Prince Charles, this tall 6 foot, black, dark skin, muscular man that drive a GLE and own several business, to come sweep you off of your feet and take care of you all of your people them.
Yeah. Anyway, people, let's say they're giving them a quick update while going for not to go on in Jamaica. Again, you know, Noel get found guilty and things. This man says, so do the right thing. Like, share, comment, subscribe with the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.